Sure, abuti honestly.
Drakenstein, I'm just repeating. Drakenstein, Lien, Leify, is ons Meyer, City of Cape Town, is Ratika Tagodin, the District Mayor in Cape Winelands, is Brendan Jacobs, in Stellenbosch, Sylvia Bell, in Breedevallei, Jan Spielman, in Langeberg, Susan Rensburg, in Witzenberg, Warwick Alexander, in julle kan net sê congratulations mense. In Overberg District, die District Meyer is Craig Smith. Die District Meyer is Craig Smith. In Tietwaterskloof, Vanessa Papier. In Oeverstrand, Lucinda Joanita Kleinschmidt. In Swellendam, Brendan Festus. In Cape Agulhas, Keino Martinez. In Garden Route District, so George Fernando Fredericks is die mayoral candidate in George. In Mossel Bay, Elzaan Peterson. In Hessequa, Jennifer Hartnick. In Knysna, Walid Grootboom. In Bitu, Katrina de Bruin. In Kannaland, George Boyson. Jump Center Karoo. En dat is iets daar wat ek moet gaan regmaak. West Coast District. Die District Meyer. Shelly-Ann Meton. Shelly-Ann Meton is die District Meyer. Matikama, Monica Bottom. Saldana, Chantel Tejada. Cederberg. Adam Peterson, Bergrivier, Andre Isaacs, Swartland, Iris Lee Peterson, City of Johannesburg, Kenny Kunene, City of Ekurhuleni, Dino Peterson, Mfuleni, Houston Francis, Midwal, Jackie Toby, Rand West, and I'm going to stop here. Because it's a true patriot that I want to thank him for his previous services, but he's now a mayoral candidate for Rand West. Bruce Nimrod. Bruce Nimrod is the mayoral candidate for Rand West. Mogale City, Angeline Nyandeni. Mirafung is Oats Gaunwe. Oats Gaunwe. Namakoi. In die Namaka District, die District Meyer, is Cyril Won. Cyril Won is die District Meyer. Namakoi is Rina Martens. Hantam, Christo Slambi. Karoo Hoogland, Patriot Anthony Mitas. Richtersveld, Beulah Martens. Koima, Linda van Wyk. Kamiesberg, Neil Hansen. Die JTJ District, Mike Moorcroft is die District Meyer. Joe Maruleng is Silalamelo Joseph Matidiso. Silalamelo Joseph Matidiso in Joe Maruleng. In Gamagare, Brian Visser. Gasegonyana, Mercia Titus. Pixley Kaseme District. District Meyer, Cecil van Syfer. Cecil. Ubuntu Municipality, Elroy de Weer. Umsombovu, Kate Stierman. M. Tangeni, Barry Fisher, Karrieberg, Letitia Sessing, Tembelile, Joanne Sirkui, Siatemba, Julian Grief, Siakumba, Salman Kamis, Sion Kumba, Salman Kamis, Renosterberg, Clarence Olifant, Francis Bart, Sol Plaiki, Ferguson Moses, Dikatlong, Millicent Klinyan, Magareng, Jocelyn Oor, ZFM District, Meyer, Valerie Nel, Kai Garib, Gershwin Geland, Gatelopeli, Frikkie Sibelego, David Kruiper, Michelle Arakum, Tansabani, Misha Pony, Eastern Cape, Nelson Mandela Bay, Bradley Murray, Buffalo City, Skalk van der Sand, die district, Sarah Bartman District, Meyer, Christo Tana, Kouga, Claudette Peters, Dr. Beyers Nodie, Rosalind Erasmus, Sundays River Valley, Rodwin Brandt, Blue Crane, Rose Kurt, Makana, Brendan Klasse, Kokama, Lloyd Sally, Amatola District, Ntombekaya George, Amahlati Municipality, Jessica Bron, Great K, Leon Derris, Raymond Mhlaba, Dion Mandeka, Chris Hani District, Mayor, Princess Pinky Matanzima, Inkumba Yetemba, Charlene Alexander, Enoch Ngijima, Claudia Everett, Jout Kabi District, Elundi, Maureen Jackson Ganyape, OR Tambo District Mayor, Lungile Dlamini, Ingwizia Hill, Tandiwe Ndara, Tandiwe Ndara, Nyandeni, Young King, King Sahara Dalinyebo, Thomas Tabani, Alfred Nzo District, Bulelani Taine, Winnie Madikizela Municipality, Mtandeni, Notswila, Northwest Mayoral Candidates, Ditso Ngake Mudiri Mulema District Mayor, David Angoma, Ditso Botla, Rodney Pale, Maikeng, Stephen van Rooyen, Ramutsere, Pemelo Mulife, Ratlo Municipality, Michael Maluata, Tswaing, Dr. Kenneth Kaunda District Mayor, Walter Mitchell, Matlosana, Kopano Malinga, JB Marks, Ryan Swartz, Bujana District, Philip Makute, Rustenburg, Tepo Nikani, Madibeng, Theo Mareme, Moses Kotani, Gatuentle Galechi, Dr. Ruth Mompati District, Greater Taung, Moni Murapeli Litela, Lekwa Tiemani, Rolin Kleinans, Mamusa, Mpo Madevu, Naledi, Vincent Sakur. Mpumalanga mayoral candidates. Mhlanzeni District Mayor Glenn Nkomo. City of Mbombela Nicolene Ramsbottom. Bushbuck Ridge Stanley Maseko. Tabo Acheu Morris Johnson. Nkomasi Luanda Mpofu. Gertsie Bande District Mayor Adrian Willemse. Msukwalekwa Juliet. Msukwalekwa is Juliet Basson. Governor Mbeki Clifford Masus. Dipali Singh Raquel Kriel. Likwa Jack Johnson. Dr. Pitley Yolanda Williams. Nkangala District Mayor Rihanna Malisa. Victor Kanye. Piet Kang. Dr. J.S. Muroka Municipality. Reni Afani. Steve Chwete Municipality. Emmanuel Mukwena. Emma Lahleni. Zuenda Francis. Emma Kwazeni. Nkosinati Ntimani. Mkondo Municipality. Pete Lawrence. Tembisile Hani. Silo Mashinini. Limpopo mayoral candidates. Listen to me, candidates. Limpopo mayoral candidates. Mudimolo Municipality. Nomaliza Mujela. Kabazimbi. Nicola Ramela. Bella Charles Ndlovu. Mukhalakwena Johnny Aris. Pulukwani Jennifer Soughton. Lipele Nkumi Municipality Kenneth Madekwa. Blouberg Lebu Munapula. Sekukuni District Fitahomu Tubatsi. Oma Dibakwana. Elias Mutsoleri Municipality, Margaret Tlati. Greater Giani, Joseph Masingi. Litaba, Audrey, Mayoshokweng. Zanin, Nico Hlungwani. Palabora, Shibu Murilwa. Maruleng, Preti Masanya. Vembe, Makado Municipality, Jerome Salter. Free State, mayoral candidates. Mangaung, Sophia Swartz. Machabeng, Shane Ngax. Masilonyana, Eric Makabe. Nala Municipality, Ramoiponi Charlie Mokotu. Fezile Dabi District, Metsi Mahulu. Kobus Reuters. Mukaka, Clarence van Rooy. Kwate, Hendrik Norkier. Oh, I love this party. Tabo Mafuta Nyana District, Ditlabeng, Johnny Lynch. Maluti Apofung. Motswahai Ezekiel Siruwe. Mansopa Mpo Donald Kabi. Nketwana Isaac Mbele. Harib District Kopanong Max Morgan. Liteming Christine Mathieu. Moakari Crystalline Smith. KwaZulu Natal Itekwini Pambile Skiti. Msunduzi Randall Adams. Mswati Tembeka Papiana. Greater Kokstad, Baldwin Megel, Kwadukuza, Sianda Mkabele, Newcastle, Vangile Mildred Mulife, Amajuba District Mayor, Dr. Pumlani Sydney Dlamini, Emalangeni, Mildred Mtembu, Denhauser, Samkelo Kumalo, Roy Nkonyani, Melissa Robertson, Nongoma, Nomfanelo Mankelo, Umhlatuze, Sikulile Hopewell, Ndumeni, Wayne J. Thompson, Msinga, Preshu Singh, Nkutu, Nisha Arons, Umvotu, Mark Griffiths. Patriots, you heard it. Congratulations to all those mayoral candidates, and we are not done yet. PA is growing. It's an exciting time to be part of the Patriotic Alliance. To those mayors, mayoral candidates, may God bless you. Be humble, be respectful, build a party. You are number one on our list. You are going in. The people here are good people. Look after them. I am where I am today because of the Patriots and their prayers for me. So there's places we've not mentioned. We're coming to Tshwane. We're coming to places like Beaufort. We're coming to places like Laingsburg. We're coming to different places. We're still coming to that. There's a whole lot of lists. PA is no longer small. There's a whole lot of, the majority we've not mentioned. Can you believe we've not mentioned the majority? Jos Municipality we've mentioned. Fernando. So we want to congratulate everyone. We are not done yet, Patriots. We are still going to mention people. I love you guys. Congratulations. Support your candidates. Hulle gaan vir ons plekke vat. There's still a lot of outstanding people. We are getting there. Moenie buys any leaders.
Pages, pages, pages. Now that was an announcement of a lot of mayors. A lot of mayors. But they PR mayors. Patriots, patriots. So these are some of the leaders that would be leading Patriots in different areas across the country. And that is not all of it. Many names are still to be mentioned. Many names are still to be mentioned. So I hope a lot of you Patriots took in those names. And if it was from your district, your region, make sure to remember those names, because those are the names of the people put and entrusted to lead us going to 2026 elections. That is exactly how it's going to be in the Patriotic Alliance. Until they are moved, they are the leaders in those districts. So Patriots, let us give respect to our leaders. Because if you do not respect the leadership by these mayors, then it says you do not respect the leadership from the president. And that is the most important, that we respect the leaders that were chosen for us. This is not a democratic party where we vote for leaders, vote for mayors. In this party, we go with what is given to us, and the party has given down the leaders they believe are best for us. And the only thing to do is to go campaign for them, campaign hard, and make sure that we win the wards and the districts that we all come in. 2026 is going to be very, very important for the Patriotic Alliance, as it is also a year that we continue to step into the right direction. The leadership of Gayton McKenzie has surely blossomed over the years, and already people are starting to believe in this leadership and where it is taking the Patriotic Alliance and possibly one day South Africa. It is spreading like a wildfire, where lot of citizens of the Republic of South Africa beginning to understand the transparency in the leader. As much as he still doesn't know a lot about politics, but he has the right heart into it. The right heart to further the life of his people. The right heart to continue to make sure that his people get out of hunger. And that is where Gayton McKenzie is taking the majority of the people who believe in him. Just one municipality, he said. Just one municipality. And let us show South Africa how we can run a municipality. Just one municipality. Hopefully in places like Gauteng. Just one. Let the PA show how it can run a municipality. Let the people of that place, they will sing the praises of PA and what no other party has been able to do. God give us that day that just one municipality that the PA can run. And you will see bigger steps, bigger than what Nasipi Moyo is doing, which she's doing a great job, will be done in that municipality. You will see changes of the highest note, and that is what the Patriotic Alliance is on a mission to achieve. And hopefully next year we achieve that, Patriots. Hopefully, together as one. That is the goal of the PA. To show South Africa just with one municipality what the Patriotic Alliance is able to do. Don't need many opportunities, just one. They will understand that owns Paisani. Salute, Patriots.
Nothing. Sure, I would do honestly.